Kapamilya actress Bel Mariano shared her thoughts on her first movie without her love team partner Donnie Pangilinan. Donnie and Bel, collectively known as the Dunbel Tandem, are among the most popular younger generations of artists under the Kapamilya network. They have done teleseries that boosted their career and expanded their fandom. Just recently, it was announced that Bel will be doing a movie, directed by blockbuster director Kathy Garcia Sampana, but she will not be paired with Donnie in this project. Based on the article in the Philippine Star, Bel Mariano recently had a meeting with Direk Kathy and ABS-CBN Films executives to talk about this upcoming project. The young actress expressed excitement for this movie, but she also admitted that she was quite nervous. "Ako po kinakabahan ako. All I can say is this is gonna be a star-studded film. I'm gonna be with artists who I really look up to in the industry and working with Direk again. It's really such an honor because I know every step of the way, I will learn from Direk and with other artists as well," she shared. This will be Bel's third project with Direk Kathy, but this is her first time doing a movie without Donnie. The director shared that Bel said that it would be her first time with other veteran cast members of this film. Because of this, Direk Kathy is excited about the dynamics that they will have on the set. Ngayon na mas batikan na yung mga katrabaho niya, tignan natin kung lalapit-lapit pa siya. Doon na siya sa mga batikan na lalapit at hihingi ng tips, the director shared. Bel is expecting that this will be a new setup since she is not with her love team partner. However, she stressed that in everything she does, as much as possible, she wants to enlighten herself of the things that she does not know yet. On working outside her love team partnership with Donnie Pangilinan, Bel Mariano said, "I've been working with Donnie for so long and this is the first time that I'm doing a film on my own and I would say it's growth. Something scary but I'm really excited for it." Meanwhile, back in 2022, Bel was asked about the status of her relationship with Donnie. The actress did not give a direct answer and just said that she is letting the public think what they feel about them.